As of August 2025, DoorDash requires strict phone number verification for security purposes. There are three main methods to change your phone number on the iPhone Dasher app. The first and most common method is through the Dasher app itself. Open the app, go to Account Settings, then Account Details or Personal Information. Tap on your current phone number field, enter the new number, and complete the SMS verification process. The second method is through the DoorDash website. Visit dasher.doordash.com, log in, go to Account Settings, and update your phone number. You'll still need to verify through SMS, and the changes will automatically sync to your mobile app. If the first two methods fail, contact DoorDash customer support. This method requires identity verification and typically takes 24 to 48 hours to process. You can reach support through the app or website help center. Remember, these verification steps exist to protect your account and earnings. Always ensure you have access to your new phone number before starting the change process, as you'll need to receive SMS verification codes. DoorDash has significantly increased security measures to prevent fraud and account takeovers. The verification process is now more stringent, but essential for protecting your earnings and account integrity. The most common iPhone issue is Do Not Disturb mode blocking SMS verification codes. Make sure to disable Do Not Disturb or allow notifications from DoorDash when changing your number. Another common issue is iMessage interfering with SMS verification codes. Go to Settings, then Messages, and ensure Send as SMS is enabled to receive verification codes properly. If you've lost access to your phone or switched carriers, you'll need to contact DoorDash support with identity verification. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours, but ensures your account remains secure. Security experts recommend several best practices. Update your number immediately after any carrier change. Never share verification codes. Keep screenshots of successful changes, and check your account settings monthly. Remember, these security measures protect your earnings and account integrity.